Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be trying to recreate this photo on a painting with acrylic paints. So let's see how it goes. For that I am first starting with a black canvas. It's a canvas board and I'm sketching out basically roughly with a white pencil. Then I'm going to start working on the lemons by adding a base color of lemon yellow. Then I'm going to start by adding some highlight, depth and shading. For that I'm using ochre color to add the darker parts and blending it out. I'm taking the reference photo with me so I know where all the highlights and everything goes. Now I am adding a line and creating separation between the lemon and the lemon slice with the same color. Then I am also going to add highlights with white color. Just blending it out with the darker color and the lemon yellow. Now I'm using some dark ochre color that I use for darkness to add some spots to create the texture for the lemon. Now I'm going to be working on the lemon splash, the water, using white color. I'm just tracing out and basically I'm adding the parts and the splashes with white color and tracing it around, and then I will add texture in the middle. Also for this part use a reference photo to see where all the splashes goes, where the water is see-through and where it is not, and where to add the highlighted parts. So first I just trace over the full splash, like where it goes and all. Then I'm adding little highlights and spots and look to make it look like some water. So now after this it's done. I am quite impressed with how it turned out. Not that perfect, but still it's really good. So I hope you guys like this Wix video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.